20 business ideas you can start in Africa. Hello everyone. Today we'll explore 20 simple business ideas in Africa with inspiring stories. Let's go! And number 17 of the business is very important, and please subscribe to this channel. 1. Farming and agriculture. Samuel started with just a small piece of land. Today he grows vegetables and supplies local markets. 2. Mobile money agent. Grace opened a mobile money shop in her village. Now, everyone comes to her to send and receive money easily. 3. Poultry farming. Peter began with 10 chickens. Now he sells eggs and meat to restaurants in his town. 4. Tailoring and fashion design. Anita loved sewing clothes. She opened a small tailoring shop and now makes dresses for weddings and events. 5. Food vendor business. David started selling fried snacks by the roadside. His tasty food became so popular that he opened a small cafe. 6. Phone repair services. Lucy learned how to fix phones from YouTube. Now she runs a busy phone repair business. 7. Soap and detergent making. Moses began making soap at home. His neighbors loved it, and now he sells soap to shops and schools. 8. Barbershop. John set up a small barbershop with just one chair. Today his shop is always full of customers. 9. Hair salon for ladies. Ruth loved braiding hair. She opened a salon at home, and now she has customers from all over the city. 10. Delivery services. Michael started delivering packages with his motorbike. He now delivers goods for many small businesses. 11. Small-scale fish farming. Amina built a small fish pond. She now sells fresh fish to local restaurants. 12. Event decoration services. Blessing decorated her sister's wedding. Everyone loved her work, and she started her own event decoration business. 13. Baking and cake making. Chris baked birthday cakes for friends. Now he runs a popular cake shop in his town. 14. Second-hand clothes business. Okrika. Fatima started selling second-hand clothes at the market. Today she owns 3 stalls. 15. Printing and photocopy business. Joseph opened a small printing shop near his school. Students and teachers come to him every day. 16. Car wash business. Daniel started washing cars outside his home. His service became popular, and he opened a proper car wash. 17. Internet cafe. Naomi set up an internet cafe with a few computers. Now students and business owners use her cafe every day. 18. Livestock farming. Goats, sheep. Ahmed bought 3 goats. Today he owns a big herd and sells meat during festive seasons. 19. Handicrafts and souvenir business. Joy loved making beaded necklaces and carvings. Tourists loved her products, and she started exporting them. 20. Solar energy installation. Patrick learned how to install solar panels. He now helps homes get cheap, clean energy. These are 20 business ideas you can start in Africa today. Which idea do you love most? Tell us in the comments. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more ideas.